domestic demand for ball pens is given by quantity demanded QD equals to 100 minus P. That is quantity demanded QD equals to 100 minus P. This is the demand function. And the domestic supply is given by QS equals to P. QS is quantity supplied, QD is quantity demanded, P is the price. The measured quantities QS QD is measured quantities in thousands of ball pens. The ball pens can currently be freely imported, that is there is no import cost. Imported at the world price of, that is the price is given. This is the supply function S, and the price equals to 20 rupees. The government is planning to impose a tariff with 10 rupees per unit. Premium price of ball pens in the domestic market without any imports will be, that is they are asking to find the equilibrium price P star. So at equilibrium and equals to supply. So equate both the QS supply, quantity supplied, quantity demanded, both are equals to Q only. That is Q equals to 100 minus P and Q equals to P. 100 minus P equals to P equals to 50. That is P star. P star means it represents the equilibrium price function. So in the demand function, this is right. QD equals to 100 minus P. If P equals to 0, Q equals to 100. This point is 100 comma 0. When quantity equals to 0, in this equation Q equals to 0, P equals to 100. This point is 0 comma 100, that is y-intercept is 0 comma 100, x-intercept is 100 comma 0, and supply curve QS equals to P. Green curve line is supply curve. It is passing through origin. This point is equilibrium point. This is equilibrium. So this point on the x-axis is Q star, equilibrium price, and this is the P star, price equilibrium. Price equals to, from this equation it is 50, and Q star equals to equilibrium quantity. Q star equal to also 50. Put P star in this equation, you get Q. This is also 50. This region is consumer surplus, CS is PS, producer surplus. Yes, the formula equals to half base times H, that is area of this triangle. So this distance and this distance, that is half times this value. P star is 50, P equals to 100, that is 100 minus 50 times this value is 0, this is 50. 50 minus 0, that is 50. That is 25. 525 is 125, 1250. Write the answer. They are asking in terms of thousands. So they mentioned in the question, see, the quantities measured quantities in thousands, that is Q in 1000. What is the Q star value? 50, right? We multiplied with 1000, 50,000. So you can write the answer 1250 also, or 1250 multiplied with 1000, 10 cube. This is also correct. So PS equals to this area, same half BH that equals to half times base equals to 50 times 50, same value, 1250. So this light peach color triangle area, this value is 50 and this value is also 50. Case of import without tariff, how many total units of ball pens will be imported? In case of import, so the government is planning to impose a tariff of 10 rupees. Without tariff, they are asking in the question, they want to calculate all the imports without tariff, that is without using 10 rupees per unit. Pens are currently be freely imported at the world with price of 20 rupees. 100 minus P, and quantity supplied QS equals to P. They mention in the question P equals to 20 rupees. 20 rupees given in the question, 20 rupees. So that is without tariff. Total units means quantity of all ball pens will be imported. Quantity demanded equals to 100 minus 20, that equals to 80, and quantity supplied equals to 20. So that is imports equals minus quantity supplied. These are the imports of the ball pens without tariff, that is 80 minus 20, 60. So the quantity, this is the quantity, so it is always in 1000, so you multiplied with 1000, they consider the answer 60 also they load. In case of imports without tariff, that is how many units of ball pens are being supplied by the domestic the pens, that is quantity supplied. Quantity supplied we already calculated, QS equals to P equals to 20 rupees, that is P equals to 20, or multiplied with 1000, 20,000. With the tariff is given 10 rupees. 10 rupees price, how many units would be imported? Rupees plus price equals to 20 rupees. So it is given. So this is the price, imported price, imported at a price of 20 rupees and tariff is 10 rupees. This one you can add both prices, that is the total price becomes 20 plus 10, that is 30 rupees. 100 equals to 100 minus P equal to 30, 100 minus 30, that equals to 70 rupees. Very important, imported. So imported quantity equals to quantity demanded minus quantity supplied. This is imported quantity. Imported quantity. So this is important. You can quantity demand supplied equals to QS equals to P, that equals to 30 rupees. Imports quantity, I imports equals to 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30, that is 40 or 40,000. Fourth, fifth one. How much would domestic producer surplus, that is PS, change compared to case with imports? Introduces a 10 rupees import duty per ball pen. 100 plus PS equals to half base into height. This one is supply function. This is the producer surplus. So this area equals to half times base equals to 20, this value is 20 and this is also 20, that equals to 10, that equals that is producer surplus without tariff equals to 200. Quantity and price demand function, this value 100, this value 100. So with the tariff price equals to 20 plus 10 rupees tariff, 10 rupees tariff, that equals to 30 rupees, equals to 100 minus 30, quantity demanded equal to 70 QT star equals to 70 PT star equals to 30. The tariff, so this area half base times height, this value is 30 times 100 equals 70 and quantity supplied equals to price, that equals to 30. Both the values are 30 only. Equilibrium point, supply equal to demand function, both are equal only this value, this is also 30 rupees, not 70, 30 rupees, both are equal, that equals to 30. $15 $450. So they are asking difference between the with the tariff producer surplus minus PS. So the first value is 200, with the tariff 450 minus 200, 250 answer for this question. So this is the answer, 250. You can remember the equilibrium quantity is quantity supplied, QS. How much revenue would be domestic government collect from the imports of all ball pens due to the import? Asking to find the revenue of the company domestic times Q. If the tariff is given, replace price with tariff, that is TARIFF, tariff with, here they are asking revenue would be domestic government imports, that is times imports with tariff, the tariff is 10 rupees times imports with tariff, we already calculated in the previous question. Case of with tariff, how many units will be imported? This answer 40. So that is with tariff, imports with tariff, remember, with tariff, that equal to 40, that is 400, or you can write multiplied with 10 cube also. This one are correct or both are correct. Friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.